Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to delete a task on ClickUps. Maybe you want to delete a specific task on ClickUps, but you don't know how. So in today's video, we're going to talk about on how to delete a task on ClickUp. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed to your home page. And you can also see below the home button icon, notification icon, search icon, and the dotted icons. So to delete a task on ClickUp, you simply need to choose the task that you want to delete. For example, you want to delete this task. Simply tap on this task. And you'll be directed to the overview of your task. You can also see below the status, assignees, and dates. And now to delete this task, simply tap on this three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And there will be a pop-up option for you to choose. And here, you'll see the share private link, copy task ID, move task, remove from favorite, archive, and delete. So in today's video, to delete this task, simply tap on this delete button. As you can see, task is deleted. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to delete your task on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete your task on ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.